Hi, this is LG Watch Urbane LTE with an LTE embedded SIM. It's always also inside, and the operator has to activate the SIM card. You press here to the apps. You can go through the whole menu and also call somebody without your phone. Directly dial here some numbers and then get a call to global, and then it will ring to the other side. Here, cancel the call and go back to the main menu. Also write some text message, for example. Here you go there, what a message. The keyboard will open. You can type it here. Hello. Hello world, and send it. Again, go to the main menu, or here is also the quick buttons that you have: the brightness or Bluetooth, Wi-Fi connection turning on, turning off. On the second page, NFC, airplane mode, eco mode, car mode, or geolocation, or the microphone mode. Go back. Here are the watch faces. Press longer on the display. You can change the watch face as you want, for example to a classic one or to a health application. Here you see your burned calories and your gun steps. Also the LG Health app is included. Here you see your summary, the tracker, and the counter for sit-ups and something like that. Bio, here are your heart rate. On the back side, there's a heart rate monitor. When you put it on your wrist, press start. At first, it starts to detect, and after a while, it will measure your heart rate.
So it's not an active heart rate monitor, it's passive. So you have to it's not a passive heart rate monitor. You actually have to go in
but
there.
when you do an exercise, it will continuously measuring.
Oh, so once
and then it takes the average of the heart rate.
All right. So I don't have to go in there and hit start when I'm doing an exercise.
No.
It would automatically detect that my heart rate is consistently increasing. Okay.
Because of the tracking app, which is here. Tracking or golf or cycling app, the heart rate sensors automatically starts. And on the golf app, you can also see how fast you swing your arm. Yeah. And see the average on the summary. You see, okay, did you a good job or not?
Now, can you tell us a little bit more about the internals of the device? Like what kind of specs are we looking at here?
Yeah, it is a 1.3-inch plastic OLED display. It has a Qualcomm 400 1.2 gigahertz processor, 1 gigabyte RAM and 4 gigabyte internal storage, LTE, GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC connections. You have a 9-axis gyrometer and heart rate sensor on the back. Here's the microphone and here's the speaker. And the NFC chip is here on the front, and the whole wristband is the LTE antenna.
So I can't take out the wristbands?
No, you can change it.
But you can swap it on the regular Urbane, but not on
this. On the Urbane, yes. On the Urbane LTE, no. Okay. And it's also IP67 certificate. That means you can go to swim 1 meter, 30 minutes.
Great. Do you have a price point on this? And also a release date window?
No price point, release date in 2 months, but only in Korea.
Only in Korea. There's no release date for global?
No.
Also, there are multiple different options on the straps right now, or is it just that?
Only this strap.
Only this strap. All right. Now, what kind of metal can you use on it? You know what? It's a metal.
It's stainless steel.
Stainless steel?
Yeah.
Really? And how heavy is that?
100 grams.
100 grams. Because that's considerably heavier than the Urbane.
The Urbane is thinner and lighter, and the Urbane LTE is thicker and heavier.
Okay. And all right, so we have NFC on here. So what
Yeah, in Korea there is the application Cashpay, and you go there and pay by NFC, which is here. You go on the machine and swipe it over, and then you pay the bill.
Oh, that's great. That's great. And this, as you said, is a WebOS-based operating system.
It's a LG wearable platform.
Oh, it's called the LG Wearable
Platform, yeah.
And that's based on WebOS.
Yes.
All right, great. Now, thanks, Faith, for going through this with us. This has been Sam from Booredatwork.com, and this has been the LG Watch Urbane LTE. And as always enjoy your entertainment.